Right now, Amazon Web Service or AWS is experiencing a major outage that affecting some of the world's biggest online platforms. Services like Snapchat, Duolingo, Roblox, Fortnite, and even a range of banks, including Lloyd and Halifax, are currently facing disruptions. This outage started earlier this morning in the United States, and the impact quickly spread globally, with millions of users unable to access key apps and websites. AWS identified the issue as related to their DynamoDB APIs located in the US East 1 region, which one of their largest and most critical data center hubs in Northern Virginia. They have confirmed increased error rates and slow response times across multiple services and are actively working on several solutions to fix the problem as quickly as possible. Engineers are fully engaged in both mitigating the issue and investigating the root cause. What makes this outage special, significant in AWS' huge influence on the internet? It's the cloud platform behind countless websites and applications that people rely on every day, providing the servers and computing powers that keep these services running. This dependency means problems in AWS can ripple across different sectors simultaneously, including gaming, social media, education and government services, and banking. Reports from Down Detector show a large number of platforms affected, ranging from entertainment and communication apps to financial services. Several banks are seeing thousands of customers unable to access online banking or complete transactions, although it's still unclear if all those problems are solely due to the AWS failure. For now, AWS is focused on recovery, and companies are informing their users as services gradually come back online. While there's no definite timeline yet, this incident highlights the risk of relying heavily on a handful of cloud providers and raises questions about the future internet resilience. We will continue monitoring the situation and share update as more information becomes available. This is breaking news right now.